YAML. Prerequisites. Name AWS account. Purpose: to access AWS services, including API gateway. You need an active AWS account to create, manage, and use API gateway resources. Explanation: an AWS account is your primary identifier and access point within the AWS ecosystem. It grants you the necessary permissions and resources to interact with various AWS services, including API gateway. Name AWS ING user. Purpose: to manage API gateway resources and access permissions. You need an AWS ING user with appropriate permissions to create, deploy, and configure API gateway APIs. Explanation: an ING user allows you to control who has access to your AWS resources, including API gateway. By assigning specific permissions to an ING user, you can restrict the actions they can perform on your API gateway resources. Name AWS region. Purpose: to define the geographical location where your API gateway resources will be hosted. You need to select a specific AWS region for deployment and access. Explanation: AWS operates data centers in multiple regions around the world. Choosing a region for your API gateway resources ensures data locality, latency optimization, and compliance with regional regulations. Name basic understanding of RESTful APIs. Purpose: to design and implement API endpoints for your service. Familiarity with REST principles helps you define resource paths, HTTP methods, and request response structures. Explanation: RESTful APIs are a common architectural style for building web APIs. Understanding REST principles allows you to design well-structured and intuitive APIs that adhere to industry best practices. Name basic understanding of JSON or XML. Purpose: to define request and response payloads for your API. JSON or XML are standard data formats used to exchange data between APIs and clients. Explanation: JSON and XML are widely used data formats that offer a structured and standardized way to represent data. Knowing these formats is crucial for understanding how API gateway handles data exchange. Name basic understanding of HTTP and HTTPS. Purpose: to understand the underlying communication protocol used by API gateway. Understanding HTTP/HTTPS protocols allows you to configure request response handling and security mechanisms. Explanation: HTTP and HTTPS are the core protocols used for communication over the Internet. API gateway utilizes these protocols to establish connections between your API endpoints and client applications. Name basic understanding of API gateway concepts. Purpose: to effectively utilize the features and functionalities of API gateway. Familiarizing yourself with API gateway concepts, such as API endpoints, stages, deployment, and integration, allows you to efficiently design and manage your APIs. Explanation: API gateway offers a wide range of features and functionalities for managing and securing your APIs. Understanding these concepts enables you to leverage the full potential of the service and build robust and scalable APIs.